Hey guys, it's Robert Bell. I'm here with another fire drill. This week I'd like to kick it off by talking about the importance of fire extinguishers in restaurants. You know, when you're out servicing restaurant kitchen fire suppression systems, it's important to ensure that that restaurant's fire extinguishers are code compliant. And that code is NFPA 10, paragraph 661, that states that any cooking appliances that use cooking oil must have a Class K fire extinguisher installed. The text series referenced below will walk you through that code, the max travel distance, and the signage required around Class K fire extinguishers. You know, these tech series articles are a great way to have regular ongoing trainings and discussions with your team and staff on the importance of technical and code requirements in the fire and life safety industry. This week, I'd also like to highlight the Brooks Pocket Price Tool. The Pocket Price Tool is a digital price guide that literally fits in the palm of your hand. You access it on your phones. It's also available on any digital device that you may want to access it on. You'll always receive the most up-to-date catalog pricing, and it's an awesome tool to use on the go to quote your customers on the spot. Hey guys, keep pounding. We're 1 week closer to getting to the other side of this thing, and together we will win. See you on the flip side.